Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to start with the chart of Kiwi dollar. So on Wednesday, we're going to get employment numbers out of New Zealand, and the level that I'm currently watching is the 0.5850. Now, this is a weekly level, and we can see here we touched it, we pushed, and a second pushed, came back, lower highs and lower lows. The one thing about this area is the low of this candle hasn't gone lower than this previous one. So what I'm looking for, we currently pull back into the 59 area, is some more compressions of price above that level for potential trading opportunities to the downside. If we take a look here on the monthly, we can see that the monthly is in a downtrend and we simply pull back to the area of the sell zone, the area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages. We also, for last month, had a bearish candle and already this month broke below the low of this candle. So I'm looking for, in the context of the daily or the 4 hours, I'm looking for more compressions of price above that level and then a break through that level. If, however, the market will break through that level without compressions of price, then I'll be looking for a pullback, signs that the pullback is over, that sellers are back to taking control, and a continuation of the move. Next, I'd like to take a look at a chart of dollar CAD. Now, I want to start here with the monthly chart. And on the monthly chart, we are still in an uptrend. There's still a clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We pushed very strongly, sharp move, overextension, all the way up to the 1.48, and then we pull back almost 100%, but we stopped at the area of 1.36. What we also done so far this month is break the high of the previous monthly candle, which closed nice and bullish. So what I'm looking for is potential opportunities to the upside. If we'll take a look here on the weekly chart, we can see on the weekly the turn that the market has done. So we're actually back in an uptrend on the weekly, a very nice bullish rejection candle over here, making higher lows and a break above and making another higher high. Now, even though there is a rejection here of this high, what I like about this move is that this high actually pinged the high of the previous bearish rejection candle. So let's take a look here on the daily chart. Now, on the daily chart, again, we are back into an uptrend. We've got clear series of higher highs and higher lows. We currently also have the moving averages 10, 20, 50, all in the correct order for an uptrend, and we're starting to converge here very nicely to the upside. And currently, daily, weekly, and monthly are all in agreement, all in an uptrend. So what I'm looking to do is drill down into lower time frames such as the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and look for potential setup for a continuation of this move, keeping in mind that we could see some sellers coming back at this previous high. Lastly, I want to take a look here on the chart of crude oil. And here on the weekly chart, we can see we are still compressing above the level of 65. Now, we tried to push higher and rejected that move and touched that area again. So I'm looking for more compressions of price. I like the fact that this is all that the buyers had and the sellers were able to push the price back into that level. So if we have a look here on the daily chart, we can see that the daily has printed a higher high. So I'd like to see lower highs coming back into this market and the sellers pushing on this level. If we'll take a quick look here on the monthly chart, we can see that the monthly is in a downtrend. We had a sharp and strong pullback over here toward the 80 level, but we haven't been able to break this previous high, therefore keeping the downtrend intact. And with moving averages here again, 10, 20, 50 all fanning, all in the correct order for a downtrend, and very nice convergence here on the momentum indicators to the downside. What we can also see here from the monthly chart is the importance of that level. So we can see we had plenty of touches at that level in the past, both as resistance and then more recently as support. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.